Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find My Device. It should be at the very top of the list. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option Build Number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Okay, so keep tapping all the time. Alright, finally you have to catch this pop-out window and tap on OK to confirm. We have to enter our screen lock to confirm the whole step, so just do it. And here we've got this information also right here that we are in the developer mode. So now in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option System. And after scrolling down again we can find developer options. So let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. Basically, you've got a lot of options which are connected with the animations, for example, with the contrast, overall the display, with the networking, etc. So all you have to do to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switcher on it, for example here, and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can quickly turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the list. And as you can see, you will need to restart your device to fully turn off the developer options. I don't want to do it right now. However, after tapping on restart, your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again, and the developer options will disappear from the system settings, so from here, but of course you can customize them again, then simply go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.